That stick? Oh my goodness. What's he doing, Gatsby? What's he doing? Timmy, they don't need a wood chipper, huh? You're gonna do it all by yourself. You're very silly. You're a silly boy. What about you, Margo? Oh, Margo's gonna try to get the stick now. Gatsby won't let her because Gatsby wants the stick. Everybody wants the stick. Well, get the stick. Go ahead, get it. It's a supervised game. It's okay when it's supervised. Oh, God. Oh, boy. The tree trimming was like the best thing to ever happen, apparently, because we're just having so much fun. Now we've forgotten about the stick. We're just going to wrestle.